Hello.
Hey,
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good.
I'm doing well, except that it's raining and thundering and lightning outside here in Texas.
Oh,
So it's actually pretty
where
to
are you
watch.
from? Yeah,
In the United States, Antonio, Texas. Where are you
uh,
calling from?
from India. Right now, I
India.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, okay. Is that a city in India? Okay. How do you pronounce your name?
Sah.
Sahiba. Sahiba, I'm Jessie May. And do you have anything specific you want to talk about today, or do you just want to have a conversation?
Uh, you ask me some small questions, and I will try to give answer your questions.
Okay.
You ask me some question about myself.
Okay, that sounds good. I can do that.
Yeah.
Sahiba, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yes. My name is Sahiba. I am from India, and I am studying in 11th grade. 17 years old. Okay. Mm. Yes. My hobbies, I like reading books and I like painting in my free time.
Uh, okay, those are good hobbies. I'm a reader as well, and
Uh-huh.
I cannot paint though. So I am jealous of you, but I do like artwork. I like going to the museums and seeing
Okay.
the art.
Mm-hmm.
When did you discover that you were good at painting? I'll put it in the chat too. When did you discover that you were good at painting?
Uh, I cannot explain in English. My English is
Oh,
weak. Just
um,
I am practicing in English. I tell you small question and answer.
okay. Um,
Yes.
did you paint as a little girl?
Yeah.
Did you draw as a little girl when you were young? Yes. Okay. So you always had an artistic ability, meaning like you always liked to draw and paint. And now you're painting at 17. So
Mhm.
it's something that you've continued to do. It's been a hobby all your life. That's good. That's good. All right. Tell me about your
So
family.
what's
Oh, I'm
yes,
sorry.
I okay. I have two older brothers and sister. Me and mom and dad.
So how do you like being the youngest child? Do you like being the youngest child? Oops. Let me see. Yes.
Yeah.
Do you get away with a lot being the youngest child?
One moment.
Do you are your parents less strict with you since you're the youngest child?
I don't understand. Mhm.
Yeah, okay. Let me say it a different way, Sahiba. Um, Sometimes parents, when they have more than one child, the first child that they have, like the oldest child, has a lot of responsibility, and the youngest child doesn't have to do much of anything. So do you feel that
Yeah.
your parents are less strict with you because you're the youngest, you're the baby of the family?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
So you're in the 11th
So,
grade.
mhm.
Oh, do you have more to say on that? Yes, you can continue.
uh, uh, you do you live with your family?
I do live with my family in that it's myself and my 2 children in this house.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, right?
I used to be married. I'm no longer married. I'm divorced.
Oh, wow. This is
I
your personal
know.
situation. Okay.
Maybe I wasn't a good wife. I don't know. I say it's his loss.
How many your kids?
My kids, I have 2 kids. My daughter is 12 years old and my son is 17 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Very nice.
yes. Sahiba, when does summer vacation begin for you? When does summer vacation begin for you from school?
Yeah. Mm,
When's the last day of school?
mhm. Yes.
You're in school now. Do you have summer vacation May, June, July, August?
June.
Oh, okay, good. So
Yeah.
are you looking forward to the summer?
Yeah.
Yes, and then you can relax just a little bit.
Yes. So, what time is it there?
It is 1:39 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yeah, I see. Mm-hmm.
And what time is it
Here,
there?
10 a.m.
Oh, okay. So
Yes,
that's
it's
not
night
bad.
here.
It's probably oh my goodness, what are you doing up?
Yeah.
You just couldn't sleep?
Actually, I study at night.
Okay, well then I'm glad that you squeezed in some English practice then. That's very good.
Yes.
Man, you are dedicated. Do you have a boyfriend? No boyfriend. Um, do you do you have a best friend?
Yes. Girls, only girls.
Yes.
Yeah.
Does your best friend does she live close to you, like right next door, or does she live far?
Far.
Do you get to talk to
Yeah.
her often? You do? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Um, it's good to have a friend that you can talk to from time to time. Yes.
Have you ever been visit in India?
I have never visited India. I would love to go. What city could you recommend?
Uh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Ah, is it a big city?
Oh, small city.
Oh, okay. I would
Yeah.
like to see it. I bet you I would learn a lot from going. Well, thank you for talking with me today. And
Okay.
I hope I get to talk with you again. Keep practicing.
To meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.